Hi everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to BeyondBelief Streams, the home of the streaming knowledge, tips and tricks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free sounds for your stream. It's as easy as that. Do you want sounds like this? Or maybe a little bit of... I've got you. I'm going to show you two different sites that you can use to be able to go and simply download and grab your sounds, add them to your stream deck, or use them for any kind of other purpose that you have. So the first site is called VoiceMod. So you might have heard of VoiceMod before. Of course, it has the stream deck integration, fantastic for channel points, all that kind of thing. You've probably heard of it, so I'm not going to talk about that. But on VoiceMod, there is a tab called Free Sounds. If you go to voicemod.net, you click on Free Sounds, and they're essentially a library for you to go through and find sounds that you desire. It could be absolutely anything. It could be memes, it could be games, it could be music, it could be sound effects, anything like that. There's a search box that you can type in and you can grab whatever you like. For instance, we can head to memes and we can click on... What can we click on? We can click on all different kinds of stuff. I mean, what is like a good example? Is there a good example? There's an air raid siren. The Fortnite death sound. I personally prefer going through and typing in something specific that I'm looking for and download it that way. Equally, if you can't think of anything, there's lots of trending sounds. You could type in like video games. You could type in anything specific that you can think of. This is a great starting point. You can simply click the download button and you have your MP3 download, and you can integrate that into your stream deck or anywhere else you desire. It is literally as simple as that. Just like VoiceMod, there's also, you've probably heard of My Instance. My Instance, of course, works in a very similar kind of purpose where you can type in your so desired sound. Of course, you can also go through all of the different trending sounds and you can play all these different sounds. That's on here, the Discord notification, the bruh. So you can click on one of the sounds, it will bring you to the page, and then you can simply click download MP3 and it will download. And again, you can use that on your stream deck. You can set it up. You can set it up as a sound, and then you can click play and use it how you desire. If we head back to VoiceMod, I'll give you an example. Let's say that we go ahead and download that Fortnite death sound. Let's give it a big download. There we go. We've got it downloaded, and we can head to our stream deck. Maybe we want to use it straight away in our stream deck on our stream. It's literally as simple as heading to the soundboard on the right hand side, click play audio, drag it over, click replace, we can call it Fortnite death. Our file we can search up, we can go to downloads, we can click on Fortnite death. There we go, and we can adjust the volume, play stop. You set it to loop however desire. I'm going to click on play stop, and then I can click on my stream deck and it plays the Fortnite death sound. I thought I'd also show you how to add all the sounds to your Discord soundboard as well if you're looking to do that. So head to your server settings, find the soundboard. Similar kind of purpose though as the stream deck. What would happen here is you can click add new, and you can go to your downloads or wherever you've saved your sound, and you can add it. You can change your volume, change the name, and you can also add an emoji, and it will get set for all your server members to use as well. To find all of those sounds, all you have to do is head to a voice channel.
Hi, how are you?
So when we join, I've got one that's set up that when you join, every single time that I join a voice channel, it plays, which I've got. Hi, how are you? At the bottom left, you can click open soundboard, and you can see all of the sounds that I've added. It's good soup, guys. It's good soup. So you can also mess around and have fun with that too. It's honestly literally as simple as that. Just head to VoiceMod, head to My Instance. Those are the two that I use. They're always my kind of go-to. There's over 150 different sounds on VoiceMod, loads on My Instance as well. Hopefully that helps you out. Nice and easy, quick to the point. And hopefully you can start integrating some of those sounds into your stream. If you did enjoy this video and you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And happy streaming.